Hi! So we've been shifting and I found this beautiful handcrafted antique bronze vessel. So I cleaned this up, but it didn't require much cleaning because my mother used to frequently use this until a few months back. So my mom was telling me how her aunt always made kesari in this same vessel. So I thought maybe I could try wheat halwa. I have used Kunal Kapur's recipe and I'm gonna link that in the description box. This recipe requires only 5 ingredients, and that is atta, ghee, sugar, cardamom and water. So I'm using 2 cardamom, 1 cup of atta, 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of ghee. Add the sugar to a saucepan, and to that we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now to this, add the 2 cardamom pods and slightly squish it before adding it. Now turn the gas on and give this a good stir occasionally till the sugar dissolves. And once it completely dissolves and the water starts bubbling, we can just turn it off and keep it aside. Since I'm using this pot for the first time, I did a bit of research and found that if you bang it with something, it needs to make a sound like a bell. And mine did that and I was so proud of it. So to this, I'm going to add the ghee. And then I'm going to add the atta to that. And I'm going to keep mixing it in the beginning really well till it becomes like this type of, mixture. Now you need to keep stirring it now and then and cook it only on low heat. And then slowly it will start bubbling. And keep checking if this particular mixture is, turning greeny. It hasn't yet, so keep stirring. Finally, I can see it darken a bit, and also a little bit of grains are forming, as you can see. Now keep stirring well till it becomes a little dark, and immediately we need to pour the sugar solution that we made. Sorry about the mist. And then it becomes a bit more darker as soon as the water is added. Now keep stirring without stopping and it will thicken and start forming into a shape. And this particular vessel that I'm using was amazing. It is literally better than a non-stick pan. Now we're going to cook this for a little bit more time until all the ghee, it starts oozing out of this halwa. And once that happens, the halwa is ready. And you have this beautiful, soft, amazing wheat halwa. Now as soon as that's done, turn off the stove and immediately transfer it into another bowl. And there you have it, a beautiful halwa. Thanks for watching. Bye.